Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is STM unveils TUNGA X Interceptor drone designed to counter low-cost aerial threats at SAHA 2026. Turkish defense company STM unveiled its new TUNGA X Interceptor unmanned aerial vehicle for the first time during the SAHA 2026 exhibition in Istanbul. The system was developed to counter hostile unmanned aerial systems through integrated radar-guided interception and autonomous engagement capabilities. STM said the TUNGA X was specifically designed to address the growing threat posed by low-cost kamikaze drones in asymmetric warfare environments. The company described the platform as a cost-effective alternative to the use of expensive surface-to-air missile systems against small unmanned threats. Özgür Güleriz, general manager of STM, said unmanned aerial systems were increasingly reshaping the battlefield. Today, the threat posed by low-cost yet high-impact fixed-wing loitering munitions against critical infrastructure has necessitated a new chapter in our defense strategies, Güleriz said. Intercepting such threats with significantly more expensive air defense missiles does not offer a sustainable cost management model, he added. This is precisely where TUNGA X comes into play. According to STM, the TUNGA X Interceptor drone can reach speeds of approximately 300 km per hour and operate in conjunction with UAV unmanned aerial vehicle detection radars. The system is designed to identify, track and neutralize hostile aerial targets during flight. Capable of reaching high speeds of approximately 300 km per hour, operating in conjunction with radar, and neutralizing targets mid-air, this interceptor drone system provides users with both technological and cost-effective advantages against asymmetric threats, Güleriz said. At STM, we are proud to transition our deep-rooted expertise in autonomous systems into the counter-UAS counter-unmanned aircraft systems domain. The TUNGA X uses a multi-rotor vertical takeoff and landing architecture, enabling operations from confined areas or mobile launch platforms. STM said the drone supports both manual and autonomous flight modes and incorporates image processing-based autonomous target tracking technology. According to the company, once a hostile drone is detected by radar at a distance of up to 10 km, target data is transmitted directly to the TUNGA X system. The interceptor then deploys towards the projected flight corridor and verifies the target using an electro-optical and infrared camera system. STM said the drone neutralizes airborne targets using a proximity-fused detonation mechanism. The rotary wing configuration also allows the mission to be aborted and the platform to return safely to base if required. The company stated that the TUNGA X is suitable for operations in both urban and rural environments. Its modular architecture also allows integration onto different carrier platforms and deployment concepts. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.